Okay, I'm going to show you real quick on how to use the BSR on Amazon. See if we can get this going here. All right, so far we're using this book here, the Mindset book by Carolyn Dweck. So when you go to product details towards the bottom of the page, you're going to see BSRs. And this is right here, BSR bestseller rank. This one has 13,703 as BSR. What you want to do is copy that and go to this BSR tool here, paste it, and this is a print book. So it wasn't an ebook, it was a print book, and do calculations. So this book is actually, each day is selling about 18 per day. You can use the BSR sales calculator to determine if there is a market for that specific title. If you're deciding to write a book, you want to do research. Is there a market out there for this book? You don't want to go and write books that nobody is purchasing. And this is a good way of doing this. Ideally, you want to get books that are have a BSR under 100,000. If you see a lot of books under 100,000, that is a good book to write. If you see a million and above, you're probably going to see one book a day. And so if you see a lot of books in that niche that are a million and above, that's probably not a good book to write. But if the book is the smaller the amount, like if we just use the 10,000, right, 13,703. But let's say you have five. Let's say the number 5, 10, 100. Those are just like, let's try 100 and see how that comes out to. That's 630 books a day. So the smaller the BSR, the more books are being sold. Definitely a very strong tool for determining if it is a good niche to write a book in.